So you might have heard me talking about art journal lovers. I thought I'd just give you a little sneak peek at what it actually is. We've got a lovely little community of people, and when you become an art journal lover, it's the subscription part of my website. So that's artjournallove.com, and you pay £4.99 a month. That's in British pounds. It will convert for your currency. And for that money, you get weekly lives, you get monthly downloads, you get access to all sorts of discount codes and free classes on my website. And I'm just going to give you a little peek at some of the projects that we've done in the lives. We sometimes do collaborative projects. We've also got some travel journals making their way around the world. One's in Australia, one's in New Zealand at the minute. And art journal lovers are creating in those, and then they're going to be sent back, and art journal lovers will get a digital copy of all of the work in those. We've swapped ATCs, we've swapped artist trading coins as well. We've done all sorts of things. It's lovely. So little projects like we've made a mini tag book. We've done journal pages where I've used different products and created pages like this, pages like this one, pages like this one here. And we've journaled on the back of there. Lots and lots of collage. I love, as you know, creating in my collage journal. So I've just marked one or two projects to show you quickly in here. So there's this one using collage soup images. This one was a live that I did a couple of weeks ago for art journal lovers. So there's a lot of content there, and I think I'm right in saying that the people that are members, they get a lot from chatting on the lives. There's a lot of ideas bounce around. This is the one that I did most recently. So yeah, it's a great little community. This video that you're going to watch gives you a little peek at the last live that I did creating this page. It is only snippets of it, but on average, my lives are at least an hour long, sometimes longer, sometimes have gone on for nearly 2 hours, depending on what I'm doing and what else is going on. And, you know, sometimes we just get kind of a bit lost in what's happening. But it's a really lovely group and community to be part of, very supportive and encouraging. And I really think it's good value for money, although maybe I'm a little bit biased, I'm not sure. But anyway, you get a lot of content for your money. You will also get access to all of the previous lives. Now, Art Journal Lovers has been going for over 2 years now. That's a lot of video content that you can sit and watch once you've paid your membership. So I shall stop talking and let you just watch these little snippets of the latest live that I created. If you're interested in becoming an art journal lover, head over to my website and click on Art Journal Lovers in the menu bar at the top of the screen. You will need to be a member of the website. It doesn't cost you anything. That's free, and I don't bombard people with emails. So you basically need a login to log in to the website, so that you can then access that and pay for your subscription. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the little snippets of the latest live, and I hope to see you again soon. So to get started with this journal page, I used an art oracle card, only as inspiration, not as anything else, but sometimes it's good to have a little starting point for your work. So I used this card that I drew, and this page grew out of that inspiration. I used images from collage soup books and just kind of generally played. So there's no voiceover over the next bit. You can just watch this bit and get a taste of what you would be paying for if you joined Art Journal Lovers. So the Art Journal Lovers broadcasts are done live. So obviously this is content that would have happened on a live broadcast with my Art Journal Lovers watching and commenting in the Facebook group. So it's a lovely place for people to chat, support each other, and just generally we have lots and lots of fun. So maybe this intrigues you and you fancy coming along and joining in. You can become a subscriber on my website if you head to the website artjournallove.com and look on the menu at the top of the page and find Art Journal Lovers. You can find all the information you need there. I'd love to have you along on the journey. Thanks for watching. Hope this has been informative for you and I hope to see you again soon.